Hi guys, Sarah K here, and welcome to Sarah K Travels. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. Hit that lovely red subscribe button. I'm glad that you did. So today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful place on Maui. It's the HALEAKALA crater, and this is just one of the views that we took while we were there. And I'm going to show you a map, and here is the map. So the drive is about an hour and a half from the west side, Kihei. And it's a really easy, you drive up, there's not plenty of parking, but there's enough parking. And then you walk up to the summit building, there's also trails. So yeah, you guys, I suggest this. It is absolutely gorgeous. People come up here for the sunset, but you must be early because the parking does fill up if you want to see sunset. And here is what it looks like. And all right, well, let's take a look. Alright guys, that was it. That was the HALEAKALA crater. Once again, at the visitor center, as you can see in the picture, you're at 10,023 feet. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you visit the island of Maui, be sure to put this on your list of must-sees. You will not regret it. It's beautiful. You cannot get a better view of the island when you are on top of the summit area. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by. And what do we do? Until next time, peace out and safe travels.